LG now makes a 2,000 pound TV that costs $1.7 million, 325 inch 8K model. Go ahead, Ryan.
Oh, I'm just like thinking, how are you getting that around? Like that's how. Look at those people in the picture. That's huge. That's in a house. Like, how are you actually getting into the door? What? How? What's happening here?
You don't like the TV, Ryan?
No, I love the TV, but how are you getting that into the place where you're watching TV?
I don't know how you're watching TV, but you should probably have 325 inch 8K panel.
How much is that, Will?
The price?
Yeah,
1.7 million.
Get out of here.
It's 2,000 pounds. It weighs 2,000 pounds.
I heard you. I'm not even concerned about the weight. I'm more concerned about how big it is. How are you getting that to the place where you're going to watch TV?
Well, you have a living room that looks like this.
You need a crane?
You have a living room like that.
Dude, that's enormous. Like, it's cool, but that's enormous.
I think LG hook us up for the studio, though.
It wouldn't even fit in here.
No, and over on the other side, we'll do another. We'll switch to the Lou later set, and we'll do it in front of that big display.
Okay.
And then we'll open up the rest of this.
Yeah, well, ask them then. Ask them if they can send one over.
Okay, Ryan, do me a favor and look straight into this camera lens right here.
We can do this the whole episode.
And talk to LG and tell them. I'm about to silence this because people get very upset. You know.
No, that's fair. It's interruptive.
It's out of control. People get very upset. They say, "Excuse me, sir. You're recording a professional show. Ryan is in town of all guests that
that's
you
a
can
fair point.
possibly have." And then the thing is making noise. It's almost as bad as when Otis starts barking, which is another theme on the show. Mm-hmm. And now that I've mentioned Otis barking, he's definitely going to bark, right? Mm-hmm. Is he right here below you?
Yeah, he's sitting there.
Oh, yeah. Cool. So now that I mentioned it,
he's sleeping, which makes it worse.
Yeah. So this is the key. One of those things is like, don't say it or it will happen.
Yeah.
What is that? Like, how does that work? What is the thing for that?
Yeah.
Once you say it, oh, damn, now it's going to happen.
Yeah. I don't know. There's got to be a phrase for it. We'll think of it.
There's some kind of phrase for that. Okay, this is an enormous TV. 8K is great. 325 inches. I don't know. Start your own movie theater, Ryan. Then you can pay it off.
But as far as I know, and I'm not the tech expert here,
Ryan's Watch Party?
Yes.
You can't even play many things in 8K, right? It has to be formatted in 8K.
We're going to have to get the video files straight from Marvel and Disney.
They have 8K?
And yeah, you're gonna have your own movie theater.
Do we have 8K here?
What, in this studio?
Yeah, do we shoot 8K?
We have 8K capabilities.
But
I mean, this show right now, we're shooting 4K on this. We have a multicam setup.
Okay.
But the camera you're looking into right there can shoot 8K.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This camera right here. Look into this camera lens.
Where does it end with the Ks? Like, you go 16 next time? Does it just keep going up?
The Ks never end.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no end to the Ks.
All right.
But
anyway, LG. Okay, LG, send us the big $1.7 million screen, please.
Yes. Oh, you did it into the lens.
Yeah, I don't know the name of the person that I'm talking to.
It's Mr. LG.
Mr. LG.
1,200 nits of brightness. 16:9 aspect ratio, but they're also going to sell a 32:9. So I guess there's some way of configuring this thing, whatever your needs happen to be. Like here you can see like an ultra wide setup. You get to watch multiple things because you can't decide in your house, right? Somebody wants to watch one thing, you want to watch something else. So you split it up. If you look at the first image at the top, they're watching like 7 different things. Look at that. There's hockey, snowboarding, skiing. They're watching every sport that's out there.
Could be used for stocks.
I think you could use, Ryan, I think you could use something like this.
Maybe. I'd have to try it out, I guess.
I think you should start picking out a spot for that.
Okay. All right.